Good morning, I'm Bill Cook from Greenlee County Cooperative Extension. We're out here in Duncan, Arizona. There's a product here. We have received some questions. I recommend it for a lot of things, and most people never heard of it, so we're going to talk about it a little bit. It's a product called Tanglefoot. Now you can find this at nurseries and maybe some garden centers. You can buy it in a tub. You can buy it in a can with a brush applicator. You can get it in a tube, and you can even get it in a caulking tube. So what is this stuff for? Well, what I use it for more than anything is a sealer for grafts. It makes a wonderful grafting sealer. It remains pliable through the summer, meaning that if it starts to run away from the graft a little bit, you can just smear it back up. Works really good for that. But on the label, you'll see tree tanglefoot, you'll see insect barrier. They even market one as a pruning sealer and a bird repellent. So as a bird repellent, what you do is you apply a little bit of this tanglefoot where the birds are perching and where you don't want them to perch, like on a windowsill or something. They get it on their feet, they don't like it, and they quit perching there. Works great. I've used it when I had woodpeckers getting up under the eaves, pecking on the side of the house. Works fantastic. And they don't like it on their feet. Well, you'll find you're not going to like it on your fingers either. So you do want to be kind of careful with this stuff. It's hard to wash off. And if anybody knows a trick on how to get tanglefoot off of your hands, please put that in the comments. You'll see insect barrier. Well, to use it for insects, you can paint it around the trunk of a tree. That will stop insects from crawling up your tree from the ground up. I've used it a lot to make traps. You can take a yellow piece of cardboard, paint this on, and put it out there as an insect trap. Works great. If you are trapping, be sure to monitor your trap regularly, because if you're trapping some beneficial insects, it's time to rethink that trapping. It's just good stuff, endless uses, and it's relatively inexpensive. And that's Tanglefoot.